This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside settings because Do Not Disturb is part of focus. You've unlocked the phone, now tap settings, then tap focus. Once there, you'll see Do Not Disturb listed. Don't swipe into Control Center yet. This path gives full control over silence, allowed people and apps, and schedules. Make sure to stay in settings for the initial setup so changes persist and sync with your other devices. Now tap Do Not Disturb to begin configuring the actual rules and behavior. Once you open Do Not Disturb, flip the toggle to start editing. You can allow specific people and apps, tap people to add contacts, then apps to permit urgent alerts. Make sure to configure calls from and repeated calls if you want emergency bypasses. Next, set a schedule or use smart activation if you prefer automatic timing. Adjust lock screen and home screen options so notifications stay hidden. These settings explain how and why notifications are silenced and who can still finish by enabling Do Not Disturb. Use the toggle or confirm your schedule is active. Make sure Share Across Devices is on if you want the same behavior on other Apple devices. Once done, test with a non-exempt contact to confirm silence. If notifications still come through, check overrides and repeated call settings, then reboot the iPhone to clear transient issues. If a specific app breaks the rule, remove it from allowed apps. Otherwise, reset focus settings as a last resort to restore the only reliable Do Not Disturb behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.